Yeah, I want to say a very big thank you to you all for your support in the last challenge or contest or whatever we call it in the Afrimash200k challenge. Even though we joined on the last day, thank you all for watching that video, for subscribing to Afrimash, for liking my video. Even though we joined on the last day, we won the competition, and guess what? We're going to be using the 200k voucher to purchase chicks, tail chicks on Afrimash platform, and we're going to be raising them organically. I'm going to be showing you guys everything on my YouTube channel. So I want to say a very big thank you, and in case you don't want to miss out on that organic brooding and rearing of broilers from day one to maturity, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. So thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.